Hey boy, my babies, you guys are so cute. Bubba just snoring away, Purple giving them cuddles. Yeah, you cuddling your big brother. I know, boy. I'm being lazy this morning. Yeah, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Oh, yeah, wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, you're such sweet boy. Oh, that little tail bouncing part. Oh, good boy. Oh, sweet boy. He's just cuddled up. Oh, Zeusy was snoring. I'm sorry I woke you up, Buzz. You weren't feeling good today. You threw up in the car on our car ride this morning, huh? No, Pepper, we already went on one. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you excited. Your head back down, little boy. You know your allergies been acting up, huh? Love you, boys. Pepper, you got his head? You got Bubba's head locked up, Pepper? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, Mr. Moaner. Oh, little boy, huh? It's okay, my boys. I know, we'll get up and eat soon, okay? Zeusy had bad stomach this morning and he was throwing up, so I was trying to let Zeusy rest a little bit, Purr, okay? I know. That little face. Yeah, little face. You just want the belly rubs, huh? Purple just want belly rubs and Zeusy just want to sleep. Oh, Zeusy's laying on Purple's arm too. You're such good boys. I love you, boys. Bubba says right back to bed, huh? Thank you, everybody, for all the love and support. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody who celebrates. Boys, just taking it easy. Gonna sleep and rest with them all day till I gotta go to work tonight. Please check out Percy the Pitbull's channel also. I know, little boy. And tell him to check out your channel too. Please check out Percy the Pitbull and please like and subscribe below. Happy holidays, everyone, and thank you for the love and constant support of my boys. Oh, Mr. Purr, okay. You gonna stretch it out on me? Yeah, say hi to everybody. All right. Have a blessed weekend. Have happy holidays, everyone. We'll talk and see everybody soon. Oh, Purper's ready, huh? Purper's ready, huh? I know. I don't know if I'm getting you, Purr. I don't know. All right, little boy. I know, okay. We got your Zeusy and Purper sweater on. No, you can't chew my strings on my Percy sweater. Okay, little boy. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Take care.